Hi friends, today I'm opening up the July BAM Horror Box. It's been sitting around for a month because the themes are Phantasm, Pet Cemetery, Poltergeist, and Saw. So I've been taking forever to go through all the Saws. I've only seen the first two, so I watched all of them except for the newest one, Spiral. So let's just see what we got. What we got? First thing is in a little, I don't know, bubble wrap. What the heck? This is the ball, obviously for Phantasm. It's like, it flies around and shoots stuff out to kill you. Interesting. That's pretty cool. It's like a little replica. It's made out of metal. Wow. That's kind of cute. Okay. There's always a pin. It looks like from Poltergeist, little girl. Y'all know the curse about the Poltergeist movies. A bunch of the actors died from the original. Creepy. We have a scratch card. Let's see what we got. It's not the right tool to be using for a scratch off. Already a new. No. Three of not the same things. You could probably barely see that. Okay. Saw movies are pretty good. And I feel like you have to watch all of them in order to understand the story because there's so many people that go from each movie and move on to the next one. Oh, ooh. Whoa. This art card is usually a hint at the next box-ish, maybe. But this is definitely Harold. My boy Harold. My favorite crazy boy Harold from Scary Stories to Tell in the Dark. I love him. Harold. It's an artist's rendition of it. Oh, I love it. Scary Stories. The books are really good. The newest movie that came out, not so. But he is like my favorite story. That's so cool. I like that. What else we got here? Bunch of random crayon. Cheat sheet. Okay. Oh, cool. Whoa. Fan art. This is Jigsaw. Jigsaw. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. It's really well done. Your boy Jigsaw. That is so cool. I freaking love it. It's gotta be one of my favorite art prints. Jigsaw. Lastly, I guess, went through Phantasm, Saw, and Poltergeist, so this must be Pet Cemetery. Cool. The original one. Sometimes dead is better. Oh, the actor that played the little boy Gage, the little creepy boy. That is so cool. Wow. Pet Cemetery, we got Saw, we got Harold. From Phantasm. This is a pretty decent box. And I actually know everything because I watched everything. So that was July 2021. So, favorite thing. God. These are all pretty decent. I like the Saw print and Harold because that was unexpected. So, those are the two favorite things. Well, thanks for watching.